brass parts is relatively common in the hardware industry. Do you know the classification of brass materials used in CNC machining? Hello everyone, this video is about brass processing and brass material analysis topics. If you like it, you can subscribe to my channel. Brass materials used for CNC processing mainly refer to red copper and various copper alloys, including brass, bronze, red copper, pure copper, white copper, etc. Brass is the most commonly used CNC machined material. Brass is a multifunctional metal alloy mainly composed of copper and zinc. It has a variety of grades and is suitable for CNC machining. Each brass designation has specific properties to meet different machining requirements. Brass, free cutting brass or C36000. Known for its outstanding machining properties, this material is a favorite for CNC machining applications. It contains lead, which acts as a lubricant during the machining process, smoothing the chip formation and reducing tool wear. Suitable for complex, high-speed machining operations, it is ideal for the production of complex components and parts such as gears, fittings, and connectors. Brass, barrel or 26,000. Brass sleeve balance CES workability and strength. It is used for NC machining when formability and mechanical properties are important. Yellow brass, E26800E. Yellowish yellow copper has good machinability and medium strength. It is typically used for CNC machining operations that require both functional and aesthetic parts, such as decorative components, hardware, and accessories. Navy brass, Cordy 6400. Navy brass has high corrosion resistance and good strength, suitable for marine applications. Its processability makes it a viable option to produce precision components for naval and offshore equipment. Red brass, at 23,000. Red brass has excellent corrosion resistance and is commonly used in applications involving water or liquids. Their machining properties allow North Carolina machining of components used in piping, valves, and fluid handling systems. Unleaded brass, various grades. Lead-free brass alloys are becoming more and more popular with increasing environmental problems. These alloys, such as 69,300 Eco-Brass and 27,400 Enviro-Brass, are formulated to be more environmentally friendly while maintaining reasonable machinability. What characteristics of brass make it suitable for North Carolina machining? Machinability. Brass is known for its outstanding machining properties and is easy to drill, mill, and turn. This is due to its relatively low melting point, good chip formation, and excellent chip removal during machining. Therefore, brass parts can be machined at higher speeds and feed rates than many other metals. 2. Flexibility. Brass is a relatively soft metal compared to many other engineering materials, making machining easier with cutting tools. Flexibility also helps to reduce tool wear and extend tool life, helping to increase the cost-effectiveness of machining operations. Multifunctionality of arrangement. Brass NC machined parts can be easily finished by processes such as polishing, electroplating, anodizing, or coating to achieve specific cosmetic, corrosion resistance, or other surface characteristics. 4. Customized. CNC machining allows complex design in brass, providing a high degree of customization and adaptability to meet unique project requirements. These advantages make NC machined brass parts suitable for a wide range of applications, helping to improve the efficiency, functionality, and visual appeal of a variety of products and systems. Although North Carolina machining of brass parts has many advantages, when selecting brass as the material of North Carolina machining project, there are also some potential disadvantages to be considered. The following are some common disadvantages of machining brass parts with CNC. Cost. Brass may be more expensive than other materials, especially considering the cost of raw materials and processing. Material wear. Brass is relatively soft compared to some other metals, which results in faster tool wear during CNC machining. This may result in more frequent tool changes and increased production costs. Thread wear. Brass is susceptible to thread wear, which is caused by friction and may occur when the threads of brass come into contact with each other or other materials. This video provides insight into the fundamental aspects of material selection, machining techniques, and finishing options, highlighting the significant advantages brass has in making custom components. If you are also interested in the topic of North Carolina machining materials, please subscribe to us and remember to leave a good comment.